A few days ago, we did a battle between the Tsmine, the RinseWise system right here versus this old beat up Ocedar system right here, the single bucket floor cleaning system versus the clean your mop every single time cleaning system with the RinseWise by Tsmine. So today we're going to do a different entryway that gets beat up quite a bit, and we're going to compare this version of the Ocedar system with their self-cleaning system that they have here against the Tsmine, the RinseWise system. We're gonna go head to head. We're gonna go split it down to halfway mark here. Mop half that side, mop this half this side. We're gonna see which one is cleaner with the old white glove or white paper towel test. So first things first, we gotta notice that the Tsmine RinseWise system, what we have here is this side right here. This is where you put your clean water. This is the clean water reservoir. And then also it is the rinsing reservoir, so, or dehydration, I think that's what they call it. But you put that in there and it rinses out, and then it goes underneath. There's like a little connector in the middle there, and the water drains in there. And then this side right here is also an additional rinser, so you can, so as you spin this side, water is then, if you open it up, water would then be coming out and rinse into this, fill this bad boy up. You can rinse them up in there, and then if you lift this up, the water will drop down. So all the dirty water goes on this side, clean water stays on this side, so it's separated by tank. So, but in this version, we have the water goes into this blue thing here. You fill it up through the middle right here, and then it comes in, comes out, and all the rest of the dirty water would then go down there. So we're just gonna see how these both perform against each other, and see which one I like the best. Now, first impressions before I really dive in. Initially, I like that this bad boy here is pretty big, pretty sturdy. It's balanced in the middle. This one right here, when you pick it up, it kind of tilts this way, so it worries me that when I fill this bad boy up with water, it's gonna, I don't know, have more likelihood of spilling. So I'm gonna have to have a two-hander on this one. But also, there is no underneath, there are no wheels or anything like that to slide. This side actually has some wheels on it that actually helps it kind of roll with you. So initially, that's pretty cool. All right, so we got our fill line. We're kind of filled up right here. We got some clean water on this side. We got some clean water on this side. There's a little line right here. It marks that off. It's pretty easy to carry too. Pretty well balanced. And it's pretty straightforward to utilize. Start on the rinse side. So you have some water up on the top side there. You just get the mop head nice and wet, and then you can drain off some of it on the dehydration side. The drier side is what I call it. And then if you want to put more clean water into the rinse side, you just pump it a couple times. You got to turn it on, of course. Pump it a couple times on the dehydration side, and then new water will flow into the rinse side. So it's pretty cool, pretty innovative way of doing this. So I'm just going to go over this side, this section of my entryway, which, by the way, is going to be the highest amount of traffic because we do open the door to that side. So I'm just going to go over this side a couple times with the system and rinse it each time, and then we're going to jump over to the Ocedar system. Now, what I notice about this immediately is that it seems like I'm going to be double dipping into dirty water unless I get all the dirt and dirty water off of the mop head and then get it to drain off into this side. So I don't know. It seems like I'm going to be fighting dirt with this system too. But I'm going to go over. I'm going to give it an extra shot on this side with the Ocedar system, and try to clean this side extra good as well, and that way we have a fair comparison, and we'll see how it comes out. I will say my initial impressions are, I like this one. The mop is much easier to utilize. I feel like this bucket has more water and keeps more water in it, a little bit easier to utilize, kind of going on as far as like going quickly to get the job done fast. This one takes a little bit more time to kind of line up the water, and then you got to wait for the water to come back up. So it takes a little bit more time to kind of do that. I feel like you can be more efficient with this one so far. Plus the mop itself is heavy duty and big. I'm a bigger guy. I'm like 6'2", 6'3". So this one right here, I still have to kind of bend over quite a bit and not really the most comfortable. But anyways, let's dive in. So I'm gonna go RinseWise, the Tsmine RinseWise on this side, and then the other one on this side right here. I think that'll outfit. we got, so I mean, they're pretty close. I mean, I don't really see a big difference actually. I mean, they're pretty darn close, but overall, I think for me, like comfort-wise, I think this one's going to take the winner as far as like comfortability. The cleanliness of it, I think this one still seems like, because of the way the mop, the water holds into the system right here, the only way to get the dirty water out is if you're soaking it up with the mop, and then you're bringing it into this side, and then you're spinning it out, and then you got to get more clean water in here. Unlike this one right here, where as soon as you can rinse it, as you're rinsing it, you can drain it. You can actually open the reservoir up, and you can rinse it and actually get that dirty water out right away. And then you can rinse the actual container itself that's holding the water, so you can turn that on, put a little fresh water in there, and add more fresh water. Now this thing is popped out. So it just seems like this one has a little bit more efficient as far as its ability to clean the mop itself. So, yeah. RinseWise.